Okay, so test 3 review, questions 82 to 84. So the question here says rationalize the denominator. And when you say rationalize the denominator, it means just get rid of the radical signs on the bottom of the fraction. So we like to use this rule here. Okay, come up with this factoring term right here. Because what I do is I just multiply this by exactly the same thing, but change the sign. And when I do that, I just square the first one. The answer is I square the first one and square the last one, which gets rid of these radical signs. But if I multiply the bottom by this, I have to multiply the top by this, like that, because that's same over same, which is really just 1. Okay, so I'm gonna, I guess if I do this, I have to multiply them out. So let's multiply them out. Root 6 times root 13. Because they're both square roots, I can put them together. So 6 times 13, I don't know what that is. 78. So that's root 78. 6 times 13 is 78. Now root 6 times root 6, well, they just cancel each other out, cancel the radicals, and I'm left with 6. Because root 6 times root 6 is equal to, I have 2 of them, and the square and a square root cancels each other, so it's like this. That's just 6. So now, this is wrong. It should be opposite. Sorry guys, this should be opposite signs. Okay, see how it says opposite signs? So now I just square the first one, and then subtract and square the last one, like that. So now I have root 78 plus 6 on the top, and the square root cancel each other out. The square and the square root cancel each other out, and I'm left with this. 13 minus 6 is 7. So I got rid of the radical signs on the bottom just by multiplying this by the opposite sign. Exactly the same numbers, but opposite sign, so I can use this factoring rule. Okay, let's look at the next question. Ooh, because these are nice numbers, I'm just going to use my calculator. The third root of 64. Oh, that's 4. And the third root of 8. I think it's 2. The third root of 8. Yeah, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. It's 8. Oh, that one was easy. Okay. This one. Did I write this question twice? I did. It's not question 84. 84 is something different. Okay, so this one here, let's see if I can do it. The 6th root of 256. Okay, I can't use my calculator because it's kind of messy. Too bad. It's okay. So 256, that's 2 times, I don't know, 256 divided by 2, 128, divide that by 2, that's 64. Oh no, it's one of these big ones. 2 times 6 is 32, 2 times 16, 2 times 8, 2 times 4, and 2 times 2. So I'm going to move my camera so you can see the whole thing. So 256. So in order to be able to take anything out from underneath the radical sign, I need groups of 6. So there's a group of 6. And I have 2 little 2's that have to stay under the radical sign. So there's my 2 2's staying under the radical sign. And I can take out one group of 2. And I have to, I'm going to write it bigger. So 2 2's have to stay under, and I have to keep my root 6, and I was able to take one group of 2 out. Let's see if I can't take any. I need a group of 6 to be able to take that out. I can't. Okay. Let's 2 times 2 is 4. Ooh, same over same. I like that. It makes it easy. I can cancel those out. That's 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. Whew, I thought that was going to be harder, but it wasn't. Okay, that's the last question.